sabio nam ne so a wadi a ompese ye beche no ne bɔne a wadi a ompese ye befrɛ no ewo CID for office na ne kro no a wabɔ contract ye de man na wanya adwuma no yie contract ye de man na materials odi ye na ye materials bɔne a na me no sunti a osuro se ye befrɛ no CID no waton ne ho nipa e de agye no ne freedom. Sa papa na ohunu ho no oye very evil. Tiemiye pa. Kene Japan ye very evil. What can the Japan hate e wona bra bom ene se obi nso besore na wakona ni mo na bra bom. Maame Doris bua bi mi mo akwa papa. Ade a Kennedy empeni wo wiase ene se obi besore e wona bra bom se okona nim. Mo de ode ya abronye. Mo de ode ya abronye adentia. Bra na abronye ne hwe. Na abronye ne ho. Na abronye nko suku a na da bi osori otiknet 2 na oye Kene Japan ye samasa na Kene Japan man sika nketenkete na abronye ye ne ye samasa no sa abre no mo no na abronye ye ne homeboy. Obuza for mam just 1 minute. I'm back. I know what I'm talking about. Tim Yepa. But na bronye na oye onibie na onko suku nura chire na onyanya tumi bi niye na ne homa meye mfaso ne homa ye mfaso ewo party num no a na odi Kennedy Japan achi a na abronye di nanim ene ne nyansa e promote next 2 Ash FM ni Oman FM no sabre ne de na abronye ye darling boy ene bisa won se die na esie na ma no sunti a Kennedy Japan etan abronye sambisa ho biem se e ba ne sen na abronye ene waba bedan o Kennedy Japan etan for enipa na ye frɛ every Monday and Tuesday and also Thursday on the 2 morning show. Abronye na no ye the guest ya obetra seat no ma etime build about 1,000 of viewership. Enkrofo mu gina so omo hwe video no omo tie TV no. Sa abrenum dia na oye adwuma de ma Kennedy na all promote Kennedy Japan ne ma no. Sa abrenum na Abronye was the best man on this land and in MPP. Bisa on se die na sie ne Abronye ba dan Kennedy Japan tam for kese pa. Ni nyina ne se Abronye apagya ne mu. Abronye akona nim. Abronye abeye self sufficient a ohia se obi betua ne ka. And Abronye abeye determined person a oka de ewo ne tim, oka de odwene na oka de ohu. Enti since Abronye sha ase a all reason as a manner okita boss no he is not comfortable with Kennedy Japan. Enti sa papa no me kwesi asama me wakwa sa papa no ne nam Ghana ho so no ye the whole Ghana sikani kese pa ai papa na osi ono na ye the richest man because why employ 7,000 workers no ompe nipa dasani nkanko ompe nipa dasani nkoso de ahia ne say you always be under him and you have to always salute him. Yes, amasa. Who just say yes, amasa pe, you are not part of him. Now ye can't say na binumu ntie ni ye. Look around and crofo mudi Kennedy Japan wachia. Omone no feel comfortable in doing whatever he does. Temiye pa. A man in your idea be say won't masio. Me aba me be ma wotie me. MPP party no. A party be a kuku damfo ne de akire. Asikafo, ahiafo, nyansafo, intellectuals, doctors, engineers, ene na asefo. Bisa won say adentia enkrofo no omudi Kennedy Japan wachi no. nkrofo na omo kasa ma Kennedy Japan no eba ne se na omo nyina kwakoyo omo hu nipa binom a they have no value in the system adentia because san nkrofo no na ye nkrofo bi a omo ye ne yesamasa temiye pa go to the net 2 go to the We Are Fucking TV go to wine BM New Jersey wine look at the faces of this men san nkrofo we obi kita $1 million to them no say nipa ne ye hero or ye nyankopon nipa hema me da na apia mo akwa come style utemi ye. This is what the people are following. Enkrofo na omudi na chi no ekire opefe hwan ne Kennedy a Japan because any particular bi any MPP mu na odi Kennedy Japan achi bisa ho se die ntia me sami jasibe mo akwa pa. There is no great man in MPP a odi Kennedy Japan achi bisa ho se die ntia ni nyina ne se enkrofo na one no ebo tipan enipa one ne bo tipan enipa e wo sika fam ahodene fam ahofa fam one omo tipan no one omo ntume nante because ono no pe situation and as a comfort area babia yebehu no as the thank God obi anka na asem na mo ono mom ene be commander in everything. Enti se udi Kennedy Japan achi kakra bi ma me Salome me mo akwaba se udi Kennedy Japan na chi kakra bi na akwanya bi beto ho na opagya omu kakra bi pe na watwene ho afiri ho na watwene ho afiri ho na watwene ho afiri ho because he don't need people who will grow and become big men in a society like him. Hey, na so ameken kwase mpanyi be gina edidi matem asema ameken jimi bi a ye wo no damotom obegina ha edidi matem mi bisa ne se adenti a no tan Ibrahim Mahama bisa ho dienti a no tan Ibrahim Mahama ya kan chiro da bisa oho wanim se sapo watwi wanim se yede key soap Jamaican cake soap yede atwi wanim jimi oba fra me sen wa jimi papa me modin wa unim wanim tofo se kusia ya boni ja wadwen free bon mo fa jimi papa bi tena kura ho ba na mo be kan kwase asem mo kura mo di kwase bi achi ayem pese be ye hash people e mo ba na mo be twa mo kwase comment na mo me Facebook live asia na madwamo ana mitimi kata mani ka bi kire wo jimi kwase akura udi obi achi okura wo choice enipa we na udi na chi wo betra kan kwase ma kire me to jimi pe ba bi ko na me mfa minyansa ntra ba bi nka mensem jimi next time my young wo da moto my young wo da papam. Now let's keep on and discuss on our issue before this stupid guy came in here. Dear Konye papa no empe say nipa dasani bi bekoso e wona brabom te so no. Look at what he did to Ibrahim Mahama. Now let's shift back to another episode that say papa no time nipa omo ko omo anim e won pipi abai mo kai asensu boache Bantama constituency the MP and the former MP and a former minister of road mo kai dia papa we di yem akwa we mo kai ade a Kennedy Japan di ye asensu boache Kennedy Japan di asensu boache atem asema asensu boache kan ye enyina ne se media ya teteme entimeni adaja me betena bonten aka nsɛmfo ede atia papa wanyini cheme asema asensu boache kan ye ne after Kennedy Japan di na tem from back front center ubisa ho se die ntie ba ne sa because na asensu boache konanim wona brabom na asensu boache adini abeye mature to the point to say he was not depending on Kennedy Japan anymore. Now since Subachi Ashase ameki himself somebody important in the society. Now onko kutu Kennedy Japan yen yes amasa. And the same reason tia Kennedy Japan at the time at time chama won to me adentia this time chama won to mention ase na onim de ya ne say Kennedy Japan wo de oyo no emze nyama onye kasa kirefo oni nkrofo a omochene transie etunefo emze nyama yakọ akoye me say enam sede ono epe nkrofo ope omo na oni omo anantinti no enipa bi obetumi ahwe nanim akanya nsande ato na adwenem aka chense papa you are going beyond the line. Attention with your foolish steps that you are taking. I think that there is nobody in the party sabio otumika sa asem no kire ono Kennedy Japan a ono no Kennedy Japan de na ho batana eni nti a wasesa the party refresh enkrofo na omo nka de omo mode e wo party num no e na wasesa omo na omo di na chi e na odi nkwa asem e na oye nkwase adwuma e na ono ankasa de na fu enam papa contract wo wiase nyina yemfa ma no papa as ya man contractor obegu wa ban papa as minister bi decide say or the contract kwa akoma nipa foforo a na odi minister na akotena radio so no di na tem say wa mo ne homodai adwe money say ye de tren wiase na ye me ya say enkrofo na omudi na chi jimifo binom no a jimifo na omudi na chi no omontwe papa international omunhwe na nim kan kire say hey master mind stop there. What a bullshit are you going? What a bombocrat you are doing? What a bombocrat you are doing? Yen kasa ase no bi nkyere no. Na nimba ne ho so say jumadie na odi tu na ni so obedi say obetram PP party na watete party no. It is going beyond the lie and he must to stop it there. Temiyepa. Some bomb-clad followers of that shit man. Those blood-clad men, they are not looking to the eye and tell and say, ma, you the fuck up well. Yeah, when anyone can't say he's fucking up too much. Because who be done bida in anywhere of the political history, globally, say an internal election can tend to be any means. To the point he said, we are threatening to kill people. To the point he said, some people are jubilating when an MPP man is in trouble. Moyare, moya. Jimmy Ben adokuru mutim. Jimmy Ben adokuru mutim. Adentia ye di Canada Japan ati. Enti enya udai. Abwa. Se usu di Canada Japan ati. Na oye so powerful than the party itself. Monkwana monkote monkwasi party. Na monfre na bro party. Ye ba be boa mo moaye ni ye. Some say party call MPP is not enough for your man. Now onono ye bigger than the party. Ghana for na so mbeto abama na monkwana monkote mo party because de muwo mu no ensem fata okani ba oso ye MPP ni. Moyare ena modie from head to toe wa hwenra ne fe yewura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia celebrating a birthday now only J Kufo the first president of the MPP and celebrity wa hwene fe monhwe Kennedy Japan only vice president da monhwe Kennedy Japan only minister da na mom owo ni sika se de oka mom misa ne se ono no ne nam hoyi obetumi eni J Kufo a celebrity ono ne birthday. Munko bisa no. Munko bisa Kennedy Japan senti ono gidi se. So se oye humble, oye respectful, oye obia, oye ni patitire wa se fata. So babe di party anim awin election di ama party a. Munko bisa ne se ono no one na mo Kennedy Japan sa no. Obetumi akotwa ne birthday cake with J Kufo ana anampo akufo ado ana on to me nko adentia enam how disrespectful he is ontumi nkɔ because of how arrogant he is. Ontumi nkɔ because of how he's mad with money that he has. He has disrespected everybody. Enipa ontumi disrespect no. Enipa oka ono so beka bi. Bi te se wontumi ana abronye no de na ode ne ho akodom NDC for say yemfa police for ntata nkrofo wei. Because omo no mutumi kana no ja eto nchen. Because omo no mutumi de presta etare na no ekana no tum. So he is being informed and onu mom na di NDC for anim say yenchi chama wontumi yenchi abronye yentete won ema yema omo kwan ma omo nye de omo nye na onim de esre party ni ye pa enra ne ne NEC I the national what them call executive council of the MPP. They have a very 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 important meetings. Now some meetings no chama wontumi ekita a very powerful position in that because ono and represent the whole what them call the whole regional chairman no on na omo chairman intimate so on the president of all the regional chairmen of the MPP across the country. And he said the National Executive Council for meeting could take important decisions. The presence of the presence of Wuntumino paramount. Because when they kasama for all the regional chairmen across the country. Bisa on se die entia papa ya sabio ono otimbe jina bonten bu amanfofo kwasi afowe omajibio papa na yeso ya Attorney General otimbe ye pre statement ebu amanfofo etwa emfie de to amanfo so sa papa ne fenisen Dominica Yeni bisa on se die entia na Dominica Yeni enra na all force in every way say chama wontumi mra CID office bisa on say die entia because you say aboa bi beka wa na efiri wontuma pacho temi ye pa sa aboa bi obeka wa na efiri wontuma enti se wabisa ho e ba ne sen enana sabio Attorney General papa na omotwene papa na wa bon wo mrem so yeso ya Attorney General bisa won say adenti Attorney General moa etimi disi chama wontumi so say said ye tie bia no mepie CID office adentia abran and lawyers atwere krata akoma CID of offender Attorney General say papa ochina no ye ntumi ma betebeba Tuesday ye bono papa ne si da bi say chama wontumi ama Monday a obama ya chino from anywhere that he is bisa won say die ntia eba ne saying na chama wontumi eda owo an significant meeting I determined ebetumi change a lot of things in the premise ayeba be kono eba ne say na saada no ena Attorney General say se chama wontumi pew omra mepiem e wa ne office manenka bibi nkyerɛw bibi pa it means a lot aboa bi beka wa na efiri wontuma mu se abontinsuni ebehu wonsem mu a na efiri ufie ni na ato akotongo yesi baye abontene so baye entumi nya dan enkof emechewo enwe nam na mom finipa na bechewo na ode wakọ na one omo akọchewo na mawe miye ibasa kama makwaba pa uri so na sama ni onso makwaba enti the fact say chama wontumi edra na was important meeting na Attorney General it means 60 in every way say chairman emra mepiem ewo ne office ho at the same time na omoye meeting no e we say no kan kire titrintinti say papa na ote ho na osi ono na ye ose fata obedi party de osi omu emumu mpamfo nyina ya akromfo anim no saa papa no enema ye kochi wontumi because wontumi will do everything that will favorite Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia. Timiyepa. Chama wuntumi ankasa ba bontran beka ne wonanum pain say he is for Bawumia and he will do everything that he could to make sure say Bawumia wins this election on 31st January 2026. Sa asem no ekire say anything that Chama Wuntumi will do our party concerning how we have to handle these elections, it will be in favor of his favorite candidate. And this asem na she papa na yefa Kennedy Japan to the point to say he made sure say Chama Wuntumi cannot go there to the meeting, to the next meeting, to represent the chairman of the regions and to speak what the chairmans do really stand for in terms of whom to lead and how they should let Bawumia move on. And I'm waiting so and a man who say Kennedy or Hina Japan papa na sabio yesi emo being kese ya papa ni team but onu team be jina bonten ADC oba ya wade no kwa papa so won kramofo we mu a yetu ni honsa ye ne honsa tumbe kese me kan sembiri man ka wade begu amanfo sisa na ma papa ne kaaye no en ha adwene but no kwese aye operation there no obi so catch yourself wo so ya ye team operation ti apopa wadwene mu a ene de ye say eye asema aye nka ibasa kami amwakọ abapa temiye pa who to me de meyere ebe jira bonten. A man who wants to be a president of a republic, a man who wants to lead a party called MPP, you as the person, Ghana man say, who opponent or yet that then the sitting president of the republic, Neyere, who won who information be a ode bigua bontana, na wadi bigu, and kwasia fonesi and ye problem. It is accepted. But so bisu de be kan no kure wo se papa ye yakwa koye utimu surgery eye no kure na o kese meme dida ye mpa ni ti so a ene de mo se na se mo kan no ensem fata who born dog mo yare wo ho mo ye moa mo ye nkwasiafo pa enye Bawumia na be kan ye o Bawumia se do bia na ma misiro o se emfo bi ho time to abonti ame ai enye na be kan ye enye no na be kan ye eyobi ena eyene time the way papa na friend Kennedy Japan toto ne nsem wo party num no eho ahi ena more and sympathize of the party a osanso support Dr. Bawumia eba abonten be kan say jawasem na oyenim say wo kan kwase asem wo di nkwase asem wo ton wo fiefo e de ma atamfo a yenim say enye wo for because utini ya pai ya na trans defend wa bread to America say ko pai with team. We were the people. We yen any betna say e defend wa bread ko pai with team because enkwasiafo na omudi wachi ene no na omo se ko akowu. Hi Mama Salome o say I love his tree. I Dr. Bawumia ni tree na de pa. A Jimmy for no omudi wachi ene na omo ye yodum no. Sa Jimmy for no no, but we were the people. Men, there is appear Sabato no SKB TV no. We were out there defending you, insulting those guys. And say, I didn't tell Mobo nipa. But when Yankopon abwa mwenya utie didima obaya usi yenchicha ma wuntum nkotum. Wone won kwase for refresh for na omo adwene nyansa ba akokura nim. Akoye fake document their command this for Attorney General Kwasi Ampanyina sabio no saving Accra ye won nra etna se na otretwe nkrata de komasa Kwasi Ampanyina na onkan kura onye hwehwemu no as we take a decision based on what a young person has sent to him entinipa way sa Attorney General way okana sama ogidi Adubu ahe case mummy say Attorney General say kosi saying. Now let me tell you something that will let you understand very well. Second, the Japan noir and na ye then koton chama won't to be the man this for. In many occasions, in different occasions. Kennedy Japan to me atrase abi na no aka say I will show Chama wound to me in Asante region. Imame Tua Agostina le makwa bapa. Chama wound to me ehuna mane what abronye nsam. Even say I wonder why Ken wants to lead the MPP, mean why he doesn't believe in MPP ideology. Very, very, very funny. It's a very, very stupid conduct of a politician to be in a party in which you don't believe in the ideology. That is the principle of politics. And Evans, remember, and yet the principles of a politician. Every politician belongs to an ideology. And then they name so mauko join any party. It is a winyare. That's a people more. Why would you be in a party and you still want to have an ideology of a different party? Go and join that party. Could this be PH? Yanto aso yanko yani na yemfansem emrum. Ye nyina ete ha. Ena Kennedy Japan ba bontembe kan se ono de. Said the Ethiopia, a nipa one support during his campaign. But says I'm own to me. Abronye, Mammy, I have born or Abrekumano. A friend is saying, oh, Abusan for Moame. Mamma, and this is for Kotugu and so Abrekumano. A friend is saying, oh, somebody can write it in the comment section for me. Kennedy Japan, a nipa 9 win or 2 and see one so. Abronye Chama wound to me. Papa na no Oyakra regional minister no. What is the name? That fat man. What is the name of the man? Oh, Bomboclat. Henry Kote. Anyhow a Kumsen. Enes Chama Nkute. How a Kumsen. Thank you, Adu Esre Elijah. Chamankote, Hawa Kumsen, Henry Kote, Abronye, Ena Sensubuache. Sankrofonum way. They have, Mammy, I'm sure ye Pamedasi Bepre. Sankrofonum way, they have passed through hell. They have gone through hell. Now, says ya Menoka say, how a Kumsin, dear Natono. Mrs. Papa no Yenipo, Kennedy Japan, or ye woodini Kesiepa. Or you're very, very fucking wicked. How a Kumsin. A da yabo how a Kumsin, no. Sadana, na Kennedy Japan, ni NDC for Mobo can how a Kumsin, no. Enjoy Eukrum. Temiepa, Adentia, one supporting the campaign. Adentia one supporting the campaign. Kura. How a Kumsen. Dear two how a Kumsen no. As I stand now, I say those guys were influenced by Kennedy Japan. So Kennedy Japan can say he will show her power. And I'm on fan to Mutimu say, and nipa bia Kennedy Japan, a better target, you know. Now obe make pronouncement biano. Sa nipa no bibito no. Sa nipa no bibito no. Sa nipa no asem kese to no. Pacho maybe sao temiye pa. How Kumsen ya brono mame ya to brono te sa aboa. Is that not true? Ya fanto. Chama wound to me. A police for watching second time, young fan to her. Abronye, tipa ya abronye. Abronye, so ya chini 2 times. In the other day, why na ye? Why na ye? I didn't NDC for bar by mu. Now, apart from Nkrofo Kennedy Japan, didn't any see one so. Yemfa obia nkogina adakam apolisifoɔ nkɔkye obia na mbom no enkrofo a Kennedy Japan ka omo ho asɛm bɔne nkrofo a Kennedy Japan etrete wɔn to punish them omo nko a ɛna aban we or to na policy for any or more so. What is almost asem no? There is something hiding somewhere. And so when Charles say, Papa ne ye nema bi osuma se. And so when Charles say, adwemone na ekita papa no emu edu. Helicopter. Can Japan treat helicopter kromfo where we answer say one and then as I know helicopters to could in a court because of sansem na can Japan can say where we answer say. This is really true. Where the idea chama won to me. Where the idea chama won to me. Obi onu mo spend this sika to reclaim land there. Ya ye adwuma wo so. Onu mum na na ekwa akwachi no. Adentia Kennedy Japan any the attorney general ne John Mahama aye one na potential opposition party leader. Obi a wo ye potential opposition party leader. Sa woni NDC for nampam. Sa nyoni NDC for ene dampam a. How can you come out and tell me say I cannot talk nothing about NDC because they said I have 10 cents. We are there. And you two abama no coach now. What are you going to say? On can we because there's only 11 cents. Who tell me pa? Obi opeso medi party anim. Which means automatically you'll be like, how can I say, a potential opposition leader. Who's won't to me in Kamahama sem adentia. O say yedi kan kase o 10 cents. Now ko can be ma ebesan kase 11 cents. O yare ana utie no kwese ya pipam. Dia na nya dwuma ye. Listen to what he says here.
Nice to President Mahama. God, he's been very nice to me. He loved me. He loves me and everything. His wife, but because of party, I ignored this relationship and criticized him. And I have to be honest, I was harsh. Only for me now to come out when I was criticizing NDC, my party was happy. But when I decided to contest, was the time that they used all the things against me. All the things I used to defend NDC became a sin. And they circulate around 10 cents of Kennedy Japan. So now I'm quiet because my argument is in the Bible, they have 10 commandments. And since Abraham's time, they've not added one to it to make 11. So 10 cents of Kennedy Japan, I'll not go and say anything for you to add one 11 cents or 12 cents. That is why I'm quiet.
But how can you campaign when you're quiet?
No, campaigning, like what is going on, I can say a few things about mistakes NDC is making. But now I'm not going to say it.
So what you?
Country broke, broke, we day inside.
So what? And this
well, viewers.
Sanipo we are or say or no. He's not going to say anything bad about Mahama. Timio. Sa papa we to say he cannot campaign. He cannot say nothing about Mahama. But that person wants you to vote for him to come and lead the party. How is he going to campaign to make your party win? How will this stupid man who campaign for your party to win power, if actually you need power, for what you need? Or see, he respects John Mahama, and for politics, he has been saying the truth about Mahama, but he's not going to say it anymore. Anyway, Otu Abaman is all made the flag bearer of your party. Now, Okojina campaign platform, so and I any interview, Babia. What is he going to say? Is he going to say John Mahama is a good president? And why not the credit, man? He's given a credit to the NDC. Obanyansafu Yebunibeni and Kanasem. Kennedy Japan is wicked. He's Messi or ye bad than the stomach direction journalist of Mugu Ghana. Wait, he will say Sakwe be the Ghana president. obefa China for ni India for be go man no ma sell everything to them. Utemi yepa. Sa kwa wo man be di o man so a he will sell Ghana with partnership as ankwasi asem no. When he be ba ho so na epo na eda ho no kura no waton. Wo de ye ka mo so mo ma ye nka. Ahwe kwasi bi so a waba ho no. Edi nkwa asem na ma di watem me ma odi on be me di watem. Baby, my metibia ni yambeshe no. Aye. Kwasi ampanyi na udin pi ne di kan no. Pe ohun ye. Na metime du atem obenu mandura wo kwasi ampanyi ni. Ma me mfa ni baby why? Temi ye pa. Papa na o se mo nkoto aba man mra medi party na nim no. O se on to me in campaign. He cannot talk against the ruling party. Adentia atenten hurutwa ne to. Ya man is serious warning. So unim now be one no can some phone the tia and this ya man yo kone or more buying na ya baba bechew because attending to any tia auto 1 million contract signed the man for light na ya say 1 year no you bet me abechew ho tax invasions invade tax invade so Evans boy tax invasion se invade nsuo tax ya wan tuatua no a obubu fa so no kotobeton no yan this if was bie wa no kasa ya bechew enti sa na tede apenipa foforo be gina wa na ne yenche no e na omo asesa chama wontumi edena koma omo so omo nche no omo ha na adwene because chama wontumi will stand on the campaign platform and criticize John Mahama but can Japan there. Upon all that he wants to come and lead the party, that man said he cannot campaign against John Mahama. Now when you tip on Koso, now what and say, yeah, what will make you go and follow that man? Say, Onum Mumra Medi MPP and him. Oh, yeah, opposition leader. Who the opposition leader here? When Kwasi Adia John Mahama did when he was in opposition. With Jimmy Sama Samijan from Kaya one day were in opposition to the point to say free education sabio and crofo free a mind for froso ebesia a free Ghana de call mukromo a Jimmy phone because of opposition leader they were criticizing the policy called free education and tax evasion. Among country Yewura mon country Yewura Muska, mon country Yewura 7,000 workers say opposition tra enye gentle. Opposition tra enye makama no atum because papa is good to me. Opposition tra eya hodene ne ani odene eni nyansa na ede tra ho. Criticism and unim de ekom said the MPP amanyo konu city no. MPP are buying, MPP in opposition. Our criticisms are not like the NDC criticism. Akwakoya abua kwasia, and then kwasia kekane harsh speech. NDC in opposition, eye ntrotrasem enomoyo. Mebo ana memwa, mebo anwa catch them. Enokreso anwaka. But when MPP is in opposition, their manner of criticism is about what they call you see criticism Emma Niema Konanim and DC will say it's not good and finish. And people will tell you it is better you do it in this way. And tenye nipa nyina eno mbetumi aye opposition leader for the party called MPP. Because enye kotobeton ye no ho. Until the Chama would to me 70 times. Chama would to me no. Kennedy, ube to me Mahama ye da call. Now watching 70 times. But wo leadership ambition that one issue one people no. Ebebo at any time that you come, you go with pieces in your pants. So you don't want to be chicken. You don't want to be chicken out. Me say after this election 31st January, you'll be checking out like a force koko. Enye fie koko. That will make you understand. because yen to me for opposition leader bia on to me can the ruling party asem yen to me for opposition leader bia adwene da ni team any contract obenya yen team for opposition leader ya ba ne se onka nyansa mfa nkyere ye na onya bi nka na obetwa ye mpoa se ye ahiafo na ye nsem fata se ye bekasa yen team for opposition leader ompe enipa bia okọ na nim ti so no na mom de ka ne nko a nkada bia bojodo Mr. Man Mr. Ken champion yempesa MPP we believe in ideology of what human capital Jimmy when I'm on ase no amodi a kire Oscar Oscar and I don't know and our friend nipa 7,000 and bra o yare amamu ye de our friend nipa 7,000 eh amanchichire Kennedy AGYAPONG etrans criticize yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia so the gold for oil policy aba MDC for okorebo na baso o papa na wudi na chire wa bon in economics to the point say otimi kwotena radio so ko guarantee interview e ka chire wiase amansan nyina say gold for oil policy no ehun hia na to him no it is needless temiye pa sa papa na mudi na chi no etimi kwotena radio so kan say the code for oil policy na NDC from Pobo Yewura Bawumia na baso no ono to him and a mischief any lack of knowledge about economics intino obejina bonten kan kire mo say ayedan ehun hia o se nka yenko fa medal man bi mra na medal man no meto gold no na hwan na unya ni nchobo nte no nye den na omna na obenya ni nchobo ente enye sa ena digital mind oman chichire no it goes beyond things this and that amiti oye pa ousu sa osu po betnya respond mi o me na meka sa ekopa bia wo de obeka na obi ante but o kan kwa asem o me tu atem o ma me benu ne ho jimi wono boss ni nyina wo ba medi mu nyina atem enkurasefo asefo a obi okwa akope leader of a party onye nruba bia obi okope leader of a party e de onye nruba bia no kita people se be joma ni se money and sign contract ban ya me ba me mo adwuma who bedi ofene den e flag bearer utima nipa adwuma ye mo de mo yare o ana mo agimi so enti nipa no timi hwe mo a won se Kennedy AGYAPONG is using the same tactics of who? Of Akwane friends of John Mahama. Because on him say, nipa ni bebre na Jimmy. So it's easy to convince them with stupidity. More than say, ubeke nyansa sema nipa bi adwena te ase. And inti a Kennedy yam said the oyam because that is what you people like. Jimmy, you can't say mayenka. You can't. You say mayenka. Yenka senadie na yenkoka. Ai yenko keso maame to ana o papa ase yenka sa asem ye be kenyansa na de akyerew because se me na menka na wonte ase a enye sika na ye di president o tom ye di nyansa ni nimde e na di president tie die papa we e ka kyerew wo also ye ye friend say we am people ni a wonte ne ma asene tie de papa e ka kyerew
ye tu sa kwa no mo ti se ye dwa ye dum wo ga da ha sei ade ni pen bi ye din yes ye di bi ko but mo ye wasi ka fo mo sha wo a mo misa won say ansa na MPP ebe win first election no emma na mo discover do mo he enne bibi aba ebi mo afa kwa bi so wo mo anya sika de chawo to mo di twayempoa
Kennedy AGYAPONG at the gym sika ena eye na ochekere mu say na mo sa nkrofo mienu we ya mo say mo na mo sponsor the whole MPP party than everyone o say from 1992 when I mo sha say o mo chechire sa party we no na mo wo he Osena mo he. Eba ne sena saa prenu ma ne ye sika na no kore se MPP hia sika. Na MPP na o ma aban mu da emedi o minus mfaso ma emfa contract emma nipa benum no. Adenti amamfa musika na amam yamfa nye party ne ye. Enye ras media na eka. E KT Hamo eneka. KT Hamo se mimi sa Kennedy Japan ne nkrofo no se ehefa ena Kennedy Japan nya sika all of a sudden osi party no eye ne dia. Na ensem ofie because KT Hamo amfa Kennedy Japan ene bra chempo amfo mo ho anche omokra. Na ode yenko koti yese ensem da yetene woni wuranum yese ka kumso ye gine wo sabio okwakuo nanum kan wo se ha ras media fan se adoma no so na subscribe to the channel se be am the video bi atuma benya nkai bo se media atum na waba behwe yenko ni nkonkotie the strong one na KT Hammond etuma ne Kennedy Japan ene bra champion camp ye ba na ya to aso
ya kanasa party the na ya see ya de say ye ni asikafo ade ye hiafo na ye hiafo the party no abronya party no me ka ho ye de join Dr. Bawumia hiafo de no tam na ye pesika ye de ye MPP no ade asikafo no omo wo he asema me pesa me kana no aye mi wo na mpo atwa de edi twa ye pesika 1990s na ansa na ye te ye party na ye sika no ade ye de be edu point the 2000 election 1999 no ni ye ni kapreba mema to see why ye ko ba bi ye be ko pesika am ye de ye MPP ebe ye party ye de ye abai ye be ye winning machine no sa di pada no omo ye de was no one ni baby no one capre dim yadia ye tu sa kwa no monte say ye gwa ye dum wagada ha say and any pen be ye din yes ye di bi ko but mo ye wasika fo mo hia wo a mo misa won say ansa na MPP ebe win first election no remember no mo discover do mo he enne bibia ba ebi mo afa kwa bi so wo mo nya sika de chawo to mo di twayempoa. Let me come here for party no ho. Abronya party me ka ho. Dr. Bawumia wo ka ho. Ba pay that wo kwabrofu bi. Okoshe oshia musa. Or say unfortunately Zimbabwe do not have the kind of money that is being splashed around. Just like the rest of you. Me tuwa mo apio. Me ye note bi komo bi apada kasa. Oni says can be mo says can be no one the only delegate no omu ye ni says can be mo sika no monfa party no a member moja and ye and as asokofo anezo na meda so nyina no ye nyina no anya sika sab wo ma sabri say ebi mo adibia ye etimu ma yenko dibi ye dibi na busubu nibi oma no sikadie nko na aba sika oma nimu sikadie nko na aba ne nanse ya kwaye election no mo bakaya obi bibia wo penti ya brega na ha bre campaign na Dr. Bawumia oye campaign ya the half ni ya de ka apacha amagana for no obi orun kwa ne bibia wo penti na ye wie ya ne ya begina say oye kramani if you want to be the president abodam say ya kan wagana ha ya kan sebwa ha adasi amodimatra mfie aduodu nan na munim sabe kramani papa we mo hwe ni o ma na ya yi no na Sunday program bi okoye no abrochire ye ni abrofo de batra ya muhu na mo hwe me se beti brofo na me tie papa brofo wote abrofo mu na economics they work kind of say inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un ya fa papa we ya my president wo gana ha ya be bro top me ankasa bi jira he sata me you know some man see from the kind of year make and na bibia ba ya hu say nkontrol no ya doso is a general election internal primaries ya ba be yeah, and some over can war problems now we and a election at the whole count. Yeah, last primaries when some of work a two general election and some and this is one and the campaign a plain example so the campaign say now we are a criminal.
19 na yan to aba no nsu ya etibeti kro me hwa dey ni se bi ekre bodi ma to aba ma me fie sai ti dey go ni se me pa singe ma ya ga to aba ma be go we no ebi ni we say na ya ka na wa fu ya ka o tie ni wo ka ro ya me shira wa we se ma kwa sha no no ba no ji se o be stand listen ya me ya control body go am ni mi no na wa so na me shira bia duwa na wo adababa me ni ye no pray ba ko pe abe ya ko ka tire no ya support this is what we have a jimmy ya dai man said me na kusi ya na kusi ya me ya dai me simi e ko ka je ba pa se unti no ma free echi unu wa ko fa se mo ya ba ana won so me hu se ne am ya jimmy ya wo ya be dai e ji asokwa ya me ka cha asokwa fo se mo nto aba me ya ni na me ata akura de sa na ba mi aso ebi aketwa na me ne abo bre ya ni ade nti no ni akobaro no monto na se ni amoto a me nya me giba dance say super prime minister go to ma so me to ma kana Japan obi ani wo mo na mo ba bia ho no mo tro ye wo mo I want the color, blue for yellow for na red. Red we are dangerous. And a yellow no there, when I don't put the better me. We not have a Sunday reggae. We not the yellow we say. Kind of number here. I put so what a yawa. It's open the travel we are meeting. Then I can. The dear basic can who no me what the ever. The best at my office. The enemy say. Now who you understand now? Don't be a baswasa. Okay, and now we go back to my first one. But never person Obeka 5 no. So Obeka home. Obeka 5 when I'm going to get but to here no. I didn't super delegate no. We are going to Obeka home. This is Obeka home. The man who no me go from. It's the about yeah. The about man who that the two say. I feel way and sometimes you see problem when so never go to see any other. Listen, my even say, yeah, it's all right. Yeah, so I season, yeah, no, no, that. And I never far about a canoe. Listen, years ago. See, say, yeah, Mahuno, about me, and just I'm the president, I don't know, and the president.
Enti de KT Hammond ewo edema Canada Japan camp ene Brian Champo the camp no meso se kire wadwen ewo comment section box ho na kire me nsema KT Hammond kan ye dien ena odwene efa ho makrama busianfo until we meet again adios. Enti asemna ye kano egesa agrobi na ye dio me come na si usupen wo a wo se mewu before me time no obua wo na obewu ntem because wo ba bi otekura wo na good treatment when it comes to sickness. Me I have a good treatment and I will not die foolishly as you fatu tim wo no ma me no papa no wi anom e na yebesie mo ntem enye me a enti asem na ye kano Canada Japan abobra bi utie me ye papa na bobra bi e wo MPP party ni ma ensem fata no so be di party na nim. I'm saying it and I'm saying it on authority. Se sa papa no ba bia o gina enne no. Se woto abama na party no oba be gu no. Canada Japan has tend to be the canker in the party. Let me tell you something. Enkrofo no mo di Dr. Bawomiachi no akesefo ne yenka ne se akukutafo na omudi Canada Bawomiachi no. Omunyina no they are enemies of Canada Japan. Canada Japan eta omokora because to him any tunkwasiafo binom no you don't need to choose Baumia. So young people near you have to choose Canada Japan. Se wunim na wunya different wishes different point of views se bi obaomia e na obedi na chi a yese wo no nye ni papa so yetanwo pa saa de na ekoso enti na wunim na okoto abama Kennedy Japan a empanfo bebre wo party no ma ombeti obo ho afri party no enipa bebre wo party no ma omunko gina ho nko ye adwumadene bi amfa ma party no adentia enam saa papa nintia because ensem efri na no ba ensem a waka fa amanfo ho atama odidi amanfo no ama party fo mpanfo no bebre no empese ombehu nanim na lastly ensem ne niema oni NDC fo omodi ye MPP fo no ene de kura ne twa amanfo adwo ene ne twa amanfo hwere wafiri okote ase se wamayachi abronye wamayachi chama wuntumi wamayakwa akobo hawa kumsen na oni na nenemu wo obebie wa no kesi bia na wa sha ase ehwe kwanya obefa so obetumi de atakrew enti ayama enkrofo binoma sabio ebre bi atwem obo a wo ma wo nsika bi wo support wo kwam bi so no saa nkrofo no nyina no saa nkrofo no nyina no omo ye nkrofo a ehu abetare won ho se omo bekese wo mu ni Kennedy Japan won china Kennedy Japan de won ho nsem e ba beto abontene ebi ne stika ebi ene stika for example odi Kennedy achi because Kennedy amani sika empre bebre ono ane kan dana okopie mu Ashanti region asodan bi mu a okese ba omia nkramo sumunti a sabio ni nkramo sumunti a Ghana fo anto aba ma no saada no no ankasa gina na ho kan se ono no odi Kennedy ka enti this time so one support to Kennedy ebedwa no enti de ohu so mo ye no eye shower o ye fa ni baby shower a baby shower ye de ye ba e kire because one fa oba na me kire animgu ase beto but chama wuntumi ni abronya omoye men of themselves now they don't need to support Kennedy Japan to feed themselves no they have tend to be enemies of that man temiye pa sankrofo na omugina brane ewo omugina brem no omuhia Kennedy Japan ni support to be somebody in the system no sankrofo no they have tend to be the enemies of Kennedy Japan. Now they see a video we there.
Today, I was bold to apologize to President Mahama.
Also, intimi murana dwinim. Also, he
imagine.
Intimi imagine. Kennedy na eka we ya na.
Yes, because look, Papa no. Naturally.
And Lodina teen was otherwise days that na. And Kennedy na eka we ya.
Me in America, me pesa bicha Lodina Mahama ni wa me no.
I go see Lodina. After that, I said, John, I had days.
Yes. Yes. Because he's a fine gentleman to me. Although one is shortcomings, no problem. But me in a relationship, I say, me feel so guilty. Me feel so guilty. I'm a human being.
In the name of Ghana, and think I will rebuild the carpenter. A Ghana,
they rebuild this, yeah.
Say, Bassa, where you be a few more, no, so you be a free no more. Namuna motion.
Oh, and yeah, Mahama, dear cry. But me, I'm a party for. Even fighting NDC. And none power, omo pre amani pada sanity. Yes, it made the 10 sins of Kennedy Japan. Now, only parukra, me could defend no, Emma, no, Efun, Mahama. Say, it's a sin. Na minu ameka ene na mintimi nya kukuduru enga.
Aye.
Mimi difference no crowd for MPP mo say a sin. 10 sins of Kennedy Japan. So I have every right to apologize to them and they will not me fine. Don't say we say o kon gonza o say o me yiri creatino.
Another that's what this bring.
That's the human part of Kennedy Japan. Me matna say with what I'm going through, I'm a man who nipa. I was no, I made a mistake. But one also, you know, now I said a rabbi qui Eddie Ayiton say, "Mimi jina mu defending." Tracy Muachi and Abibisa. I defended Mahama. So tear the content of a year. It was in defense of Mahama. Say, a mad year, you know, you pay a tot diamond woman into the Dimawa. Na me maka obi a me maye tu.
Na u busa me say na u pe moa.
So question already sabi. Na obi a me maye 22 the over no have a gas.
Awoye.
They said they are doing very well.
Doing very well. Oh, na me nyonko no. Me nyonko no.
And so what to do? Papa na nsem okika ni o. Ne nsem okika ni and then on to me criticize John Mahama because John Mahama is a good man to him. And to go to Abamano now on the Mahama coach na platform so sa. And kesa Mahama is a good man. Na me se fatu tim say eni po ma ye che chama won to me. Eye hwan eye Kennedy Japan. Ono na ye the man behind everything I ekoso ne e wan pipi amanyu konom. Ono na amaye chichichi MPP fo binom a omo ye nipa titire wo party no ma omo gina bre ene say they are for Dr. Bawumia. Na enye ne na o sha ase. Enye ne e na o sha ase edi suro eni hu eto saa nipa me bobo omo dini so. O sha ase bre sha ase ye campaign in 2023. Ehona na papa sha ase etreti nkrofo say one support na ono de ode beye ono you will regret in your life. Temiye pa. Say one support no na sabi woni no aye bibida na one support na obebo modern say wa brabo entwa oye. Na wiase ayewo mi. Se obia de ne ho na obi nye obi boss. Na obi enye obi akwa eba ne sen ena me as a politician me gina bre me wo gina bre e wo me party whom mom ultimately decide whom I should choose to vote for. So you see, we are making a democratic politics. E wo man na yetimo na who tell you say me as chama won't me or me as a bronye. Many akwenya say me choose say I prefer this candidate than this other candidate. And actually me TNT ni probably say have a kumsen. Oye political animal since years. Only akwenya so be choose say ofiri say Dr. Bawumia will be better president than you Kennedy AGYAPONG. Adentia because sa papa na ye kana sem no ono no enipa obema ne ho so enipa obehya ase na wa develop wo no ankasa ni way enipa nyankopon bema ne so na obetwe ne ho afiri Kennedy AGYAPONG ase se onye ne yesamasa bia no sa nipa no eba beye ono Kennedy AGYAPONG no ne enemy ne tamfo kese pa adentia wo firi menchen akọ na hwan ena be kotome hwan na be ye samasa hwan na be ehumi a obebu nkotodwe na wasere misika saa adwendwene no saa ne saa adwene na eda papa ne tim no enenti a ama no eye saa wicked attitude towards his own party members. So mbekaya kwaku anan according to what we heard the yeti ye say ye no free na two because of say oka asem for Dr. Bawumia ho a na Kennedy AGYAPONG say nani enje ho. It is a meme ka say wo say ya kan asem for Dr. Bawumia ho na wani nje ho na na me no sunti no utumi yi wo weka na di efiri o channel a ono na ye one of the people o mo build o channel no ma wa ene eba ne sen ena dabidie what turn to be the person who momun ma woka no emu eduru na emu ya afono na eha adwene na ensem fata sabio MPP ni ba se obeka fa obi a waba be di vice president for good 8 years in the name of your party. Yaka ajimifo bi se mayenka papa no pese on say party no because wadi kan aka se nya ono a party no engu o se nya ono your friend is saying Canada Japan bedi party na nima then he prefer say party no by day ebeko in opposition and as a party no be say enti na me no ka say adefo adwuma bone amamuo bone a John Mahama edi Gugana for so a ye bre nyina no Canada Japan so no de onti say dogo bi enu na be na mom de wahu ene de watene say eni kwan se ba omia eba be di president de wahu ene de watene say eni kwan se chama wuntumi nya akwanya na ogusu eye ne campaign ede kire wiase amansan se Dr. Bawumia ena sabio esefata se enipa no ebeto aba ede amano de Kennedy Japan ye nyina ne se opese on seize the possibility se sabio chairman bo siakon ode ne ho ebenya akwanya na waye dey na waye campaign mu eduru ede ama yewura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia na meka tro se Ken ena share chiri ema yede chi Bawumia o se yede chi wuntumi a na o so unjini a eye uyo bia wo mpensem party uyo bia wo mpeso beji nokre atum because me nyina ye ne unyina yanim ena Canada Japan bie na no see so can say ono de obekire chama wuntum where the power lies na so bi kan chiro bi so obekire nipa no where the power lies na within shorter possible time ye kochi wuntumi in a particular day na very very important to the MPP ma me British in cancer me akwaba in a particular moment na very 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 important se chama wuntumi ebeko baabi any MPP for ayedai akwakodi nkomo na omo take steps on how to manage the premise elbaso on the 31st January na saada na ena attorney general etimi yire ne ho esi ne ejina ni musa ono de said the tie bia no chama wuntumi emra ne nchen on that day. Apart from that day no he was not ready to what to receive him at any time. Amema me British in cancer me akwa papa sasa na me kwasi sapon wo so be chia oyepa na eya na ye me ase ye won krofo wo so mo ye MPP fo a sabio de Kennedy Japan ye nyina chi no they still go and stay with him na party obepa animu adie party na be ye won tamfo party ni nipa omo mu nyina ye won tamfo enipa omo party no mu nyina ba akokura ni ho ye nipa papa apart from omo di wachi na ye kan na amanfo njini bi bebo video bi achro bra Kennedy Japan ko pie mu America na all kasafa MPP ho na utie nsema papa yi ka na utie ensema ifu papa ya numu ba na nke ya akwakoye me se oye obi a oye an opponent of a party called MPP because you cannot consider every MPP member as a weak, as a criminal, as one, as oppressor or whatever. This actually tell me say Ken doesn't have the DNA of MPP. But no. Say the debi okameti ase no. Sika na de ne nam. Enti ba bi obenam obenye sika no. Eho e na obewuo. Temiye pa. Na me no di nkoma ekọ asom. Ye di nkoma akyerechire okene Japan ase. Enye wei ene ya MPP amanyoko no honhom. MPP amanyoko no honhom no e de nkabom ne yo yepa abrabopa ene de bra ne mamba. MPP amanyoko emfanto ne atemudie ene hwehwetumi. MPP amanyoko de intelligence criticism eye effective na eboa emankoso eba omanmu eno na MPP for ede ye den etra opposition ekwo ede gitumi ebra omo party enye me ye ni wei ko ena mebu wei ena me wosika ena me de me ye brigade me ye fosu brigade we can sika ekoba ye nyina kita mensa Mama medi party ni ma meguno. And that is not the character of the party. The party actually have a different character, which is quite different from the Papano exhibit. What Kennedy is exhibiting now, no, more of a character of an opposition party, not a character of a member of a party. Because we a member of party, Papa. Now we do party, and you know better we can't Ghana for say, Sabio, mo president, modern bedi Ghana minus no, one money home modern. Moment video way, now you me a phone license on tumtie.
I will not allow any individual to take MPP as his personal property. It will happen. Whether here or Ghana, no individual can take MPP as his personal property. People have died for MPP. People were killed. People lost their property. They lost everything they had. Where were they? Where were they? Today, they have the guts to call people and threaten them. Let them dare and threaten them. It will never happen. We want free and fair elections. Nobody can intimidate anyone. Even when they were in power, they could not intimidate me, and not today. It won't happen. For the sake of unity, I have swallowed my pride. Swallowed my pride for the sake of unity. They shouldn't take me for granted. You all have a voice. You speak like men. So if you are here and you are chapter chairman,
And tell us for some way, and I can Japan kind of America. Everybody in the party is an enemy to Kennedy Japan. For my BA for last night to Musu to me for now. Watch the wagon. I want some Edeba two ja and lay home. I Fred now so clear wagon. Me doing any Mr. Mafo, a Ras Media GH. Message say we subscribe, yeah. Not was subscribe now become Bushi no Kono. Many issues to be our studio. Videos are not person can be watched at your phone. A video so no antimi ama because some say me ya e ma me nya video no nti nka omuhu ya ba say me video na some was a little bit distracted. This is all because I wanted to bring in the videos come to me abody akire adasamai na I am saying am obi amfre nti me de mo besi ana yankopom pa ochina ya sign ahia me di no eda so Mr. Mafo Ras Media GH on YouTube on subscribe ya na masrɛw sɛ subscribe na bɛka busuakuo no ho saa nso na wa subscribe nso a mɛsɛn asrɛw sɛ fa nsa esi adɔma no so na bɛka abusuakuo no ho sɛ de bɛyɛ na bia me the video tuma bɛyɛ one of the first people a ɔmo ebetumi anya our things our video ɛde ba bɛtum yɛmfa yɛ maame Solomon tentem hello maame yɛ mo akɔ ba yie pa
hello
maame ti sɛn
Yamia do want to send me my mama.
me ho yɛ pa
Fine.
ete won kana check akra
I say that. Oh, fine.
the yankopon
That program need to say.
Oh,
Yeah.
program na ekoso.
Oh, okay. Program na mpesa me paso kakra.
Yeti opa, mama.
Na sa papa ya na o kana se. Ayi no program na no gina se no. Why na no one na eko?
Na ya asem no mpemfo na mo party no na mo won tokwa o. Enti minim obedi hwan anim, one hwan na be ya adwuma. That is the question.
The thing is, uko program,
yeah.
Openina upe se ubedi party and now unim situation party no. Unim se party no ewo crisis now.
Yeah.
And papa mu bebre aba party. Yeah. Now while the way we see jina wa woka say wo kasa akra kyerɛ sɛ asɛ wo bu ofu a wo ne wo bi yɛkɔ war.
Yeah,
But presidency no ɛnyɛ war o.
Dabi.
Ɛnyɛ ntɔkwa. But yɛka kyerɛ Mr. Saa papa wei no ɔnyɛ presidential material yɛka nnipa ɛnyɛ den ɛnte ase. Kyerɛ sɛ wohwɛ ne nneɛma a wɔyɛ nyinaa from day one. When kyerɛ sɛ ɛdi apa ne kyerɛ sɛ ana nnipa biara no wɔn mu agyegyina mu didi atɛm ne adeɛ no wɔn yɛ mmoawa sɛ eti so wɔn pa wɔn kurom akonnwa bɛto hɔ a wɔn bɛfa papa wei sɛ ɔmɛdi saa kuro ne so yɛn.
What can say more?
Yes. Eti wɔn bɛfa papa wei sɛ akonnwa abɛtɔ mi kurom papa wei mɛdi so yɛn. Obi a kyerɛ sɛ waa wode ahwɛ de wo ya no osi gyina hɔ ne ne di mi na ɛne sɛdeɛ wɔ kasa. Sorry, sɛnka obi gyegye na kakra bi anka deɛ ɔbɛyɛ nipa no korɔ wɔ no. Sɛdeɛ nka obɛsi ate afa so wɔ ɛdan mu hɔ no. How? Presidency is not only Ghana nko a. You go internationally and a lot.
Yes.
People are walking and this attitude. This is the enema yeka. Yemfa ni nipa sunu kra ne saa ne nneema no kwa wono ankasa no on prepare ne ho wonye ready.
Absolutely no.
Wonye ready. Na ho ya ene ade a wo hu se wo bi wo party ni mu a papa we hu se wo bi hwe despite ni mu nyina kra no on be wo masem.
Dabi so wo de ho.
Enne ya wo be president edi no aye ne ho se oni wo mu yi. What we who say will be a pejaka klebia. Asanso watch ye any day. Asanso watch ye any day. I'm not on play any day. And nipa bibiri will be any she. But one no who say who ye will be a na who pejaka klebia no in any day. As you so.
On penny pankoso.
Ibrahim Mahama ye niema bibiri. No dear in a quabisono, nanya right, but the way I was sitting in Triana.
Yeah.
Say no dear, and then I will no all pay you know, why no NDC and nurse na and so did tea and people no. And then we just our time a go. Say black voter one year. Yadiama Ibrahim Mahama ni adinina say dear enye na sembiem muntumi ena odene time eni na nibere akone so maybe me kai pasa na omu ye boring point anadwubi na wuntumi ene no ni wo studio no omu nyina eka homre akoya wodnama no odi ade akata na yin anas asem Omo kasa no tasam ba ufie ne de fede which is obosikani a wo sika wo na wo sie se papa panimu a wo sika na wo yonkwa abema ni fie na fa hin be si ho
anibere
eti wuti mo se wono ankasa no wo ye jealous person wo ye jealous person or ye greedy wo ye evil MPP for no woman who ntem and no man chance. And I say no wabaya monster our party.
Yeah. Or who original man for so.
What read there so and what you woman. As a man okay. What would nipper and Jessica uncle JF can winano. Nisika kakra or the ma woman. It's like some nano, woman or the woman in the pocket.
Yes.
And the woman's runner. Like a JFK. Papa we asama na wo ka se wo bia wo no se wo bia wo ne prade otimi be gina bonten as the high office as a second lady etimi be gina bonten ka se me bie ma no ana wale be guo no sa asem wo bi personal ayi se yemfa ne kra se eyampa why ne wi aso so woni atare dada esen ne wardrobe if so say yemfa ne se yampa why no so on the one ya tare dada esen wo dopu on pie meka na wono wo jai sa ansem wo num nyina mo ante abro nya na mo wo no wo kwa let us say we did party me kwale na ya me time ekwanti men ready When and I would JFK will be a Kennedy spokesperson. When I be any spokesperson say, who na say, who refer no say, we did deep party peninative, it won't a won't change bronye, and then I call a
disciplinary committee.
A teacher says, Papa, we know, and then sometimes, you know, Mimbremo no baby, sir, a hand time Hawaiian, some of party leaders. Leadership no and amani to me and what this answer moon in
because there be you be encouraging ntina
ayene ko yo be encouraging no eti na David bi asole wo party ni mo na tinti agina no won say wo mu nyina because wo mu so no odi hu ani ayi to wo mu so eti wo mu so no eti na bronya dani David na wo sole so obekum Goliath no won say wo nu JFK no say wo twe no de na ko discipline papa wo ya bomo gumo so film le tenten ya bomo go said you would party neduro said you would party yeduro etimi ate party ayi party say na say ayi yesi bomo su chiefin so ase be ka kira wo say wodan temagua ye gi na chinyi and some papa we kafa party yi ho eno na de party ebeduru 86 ase 85 6 ye nya yi na mutimi hwere ni mu kan kire ne say papa yesi wa ye bia ye kase wa ye bia to aso enti tenase if some people is serious party and can say senka wono kura no call vetting no kura no go qualify no kura komo man a pass kura enu na be ma obi ahun se munye serious enye bawumia na yempe no enye bawumia na yem enye papa na senka ye serious a we fa bawumia na ufa papa ya enka why pa na senka ye fata akunya. But esa say any party ye serious inti. Say papa we yet me akopeke forms. Ama more person vetting. Ama wada so nam eni ama wo ye no. Eno ana say all say ye ne kese ama more so so. Are we serious? Papa me pacho tese papa we asema dia wo ka say wo ka the way me wo osikania wo ya ho ya. Pia papa we any nanya asemu bia no either you get killed and I say assemble gente gana no de boy a picture beto so 2 3 4 days ni ya boy ni tu akunu so wonni mu hu bi kura na wo action say ye kuro bi ye serious and ka sa men ko the prison because wonni mu bi kura na wo action no niam wo ye no eno na elidima obitimi ehu no
yes privacy issue could have to me ama wakwa because when I disclose your identity
to me be na wo ekrom hai wo frɛ baabi kura na sa wo kasa call no ebeka kira wo sɛ call na wa ye no ye record ebe mo ya aware
we will first inform you
so exactly na to me be na wo sɛ wutimi put obi identity our national television 4 days or not even 1 week na ya boni pani tu ekuno say nipa we timi na Moscow free dimo atemu bia bi e wo Ghana party konkonsa ni Kennedy kesa me dem na sem kra de kesa ana me pese me kanasem na de omode ye wuntumi no eno kra de nya de wuntumi wonwu bi dani yes ni niema nyina enso wuntumi be rene judgment debt 1 billion
they
can do their worst. Let them do. Let them do their worst. To him. Obeba stronger. Now obeba so any womu dia baba be sieni. Now obere ni womu. Eti empire ni ya mama ni se Erade nhye ne de. Wo be ma je wo pe bia woni NDC fo no omo nka mom no mom fa anya woni abronye na omo nka hu se emre ye ni nka so na obeye miserable nti de manu asi
me da se bebre maami Salome nyame nka ho ye maami Salome ena ye tenenka papa we the ordinance mo ba ensem na wona ho no dawson because adwemmone e fa na adwemmone e bi adokoro papa ne tim adwemmone pa e fa na adwemmone adokoro papa ne tim e wona nsem ne niam bi a woye yemfa ye yes na me bompa ye sen kacha ma wontumi free prison ba ya na obe process say ohia na $1 billion. Yes maybe Anthony me mo akwa babra panyini
Honorable, na say them in China okra.
anya na nsi mental my life be 3 days because na me ye 1 binti na ma
Okay.
but mo akwa ba o want to say
Yes, I don't know mpa bo kakra akra eguso.
ye de Yankopon ase
Mr. Mafo, na mpacho na what to say there?
oh me ho ye pa me tu anke se me ho ye pa yeah
Okay. I mean low win kakra.
yeah
Pacho.
me too
Okay. I mean low win kakra. Hello.
I feel entonka yeah
See, na me hese de most mapum city.
oh ye ho ye pa
Me chebusiafo, me chia me nuaba ne nkwala ne nyina nso.
obi ajo so
Me chia sister ani omo gbaso nyina osikani mu nyina me chia obi a.
ye nyina omu nyina
Mr. Mafo. Kakra metumi aka na anwure ni se. Nyankopon na obo ye no. Bible no mu nsem no. Ele tenten ye. Ele kan ye ho. Anti afutu a e papa ne na e maame no de ma ye. Emra ni fisa no. Ewa ani nyina wo Bible no. Anti nyame ase no wo se. Yɛmfa ho tu Nyankopɔn so na de nyinaa betumi di aboa yɛ na deɛ medi kan de bia meka sɛ aborɔnyɛ yɛna Nyankopɔn ase sɛ Nyankopɔn ebie aborɔnyɛ ni na ɔma no akokoduro na ɔma no nyansa na sɛ Goliath nneɛma bɔne a wɔyɛ nyinaa akyi no David ketewa no ɛsɛ metumi akɔkɔɔ no Nyankopɔn da roma abɔnyɛ de nsɛm ɛto hɔ na yɛna nyame ase sɛ abɔnyɛ hu nneɛma no ntɛm ɔde ba abɔnten ntɛm anyɛ saa ka nneɛma bɛfa yɛase papapapapa baabi a meka kyerɛ ka nneɛma bɛfa yɛase o ɛfisɛ Kennedy wadi bɔne ɛwɔ MPP mu papapapapapa na ɔyɛ ne sum ase na Nyankopɔn a ɛbɛyi ne so ɛntoma ama n'anim agu ase animguase de Kennedy deɛ ɛba no ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa o animguase bɛto no no ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa
amen
nti bu deɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛnka akomanto yɛm na yɛmmɔ mpayɛ ɛnsɛ Nyankopɔn ɛma aborɔnyɛ ɛna kyɛma wontimi na nyame ɔna oni bi asɛm ma no nyame na di kwase asɛm ma no na deɛ Kennedy adeɛ yɛ MPP foɔ no me say nyame apa ne ho ntoma na ka sɛ ɔde adagya bɛnam ama obiara hu no Kennedy suba yɛ kuta no sɛ sɛdeɛ bɛni aba no bɛka ɔmpɛ sɛ obiara bɛsa ne ho ayɛ biribi wontumi ta wɔtaa no nyinaa yɛ radio station wontumi abie no bi o wɔbie no bi asɛm meka kyerɛ no nneɛma wontumi ho taa no nyinaa yɛ radio station wontumi abie asɛ sɛ wontumi radio station no ɛkɔ n'anim kyɛɛ ne deɛ no ɛna yɛ ne yɛ sɛ da biara sɛ obi a wɔyɛ nipa bɔne ni ɛwɔ busua mu society biara mu no sɛ tam biara ɔpɛ sɛ ɔno nko a na kɔ n'anim na Nyankopɔn nso wabɔ nipa saa Nyankopɔn nso wabɔ nipa sɛ ne sɛ so na nipa na ɛyɛ bɔne nti na Nyankopɔn ka kyerɛ sɛ wɔno ne ho sɛ ɔyɛ nipa nti wontumi ho taa ne nyinaa yɛ radio station a wontumi nso abie bi ɛno ɛka ho bi ana deɛ wɔyɛ nyinaa deɛ Kennedy yɛ nyinaa sɛ nipa a ne di n'akyi ɛnɛ sɛ mehwɛ nipa bɛyɛ 500 asan firi ne campo ɛnɛ meme se yɛn kase yɛ sɛ ɛnɛ enipa 500 asan free ni camp hono mo enti de ekoso de ode ye untimi de ode ye abronye afi na manfo bebre adwene no sabi omu se kana Japan onye ni papa o madwene abaso enti kana Japan de me wo se da bia me ba me ka se ya bura MPP yenimu aye nko ye ko yenimu ane abe ya ki sabi wote se ayiwefo asa no kana Japan ba bia na president Kufuor adi MPP koye kade Ghana nkaka Ghana ko nanimu no aye sa ba ye chi no kana Japan de nanado adi Ghana ko nanim one ba omia adi Ghana ko nanim asese nka yene ye wa control mu ha sei kadodo na ara sesa yenkuku ne nkaka akotra fie sabi enkuko bo bi kra na wasi na bidie kra na abeton aka ho beton chese wa ifise ha ye wo oji sika no a na mafa kra bi so na maje efa so bi ele so sese he bibia boy te €100 and tofe se €1,000 kutawo ikere ha se si a na ka so bi €1,000 anya de papa bia na beton
within 2 hours na wa shine nyina ntentempa
mo na mi sira enti se no aha na ye wo no obi esu ko le yem hwede na do ne ba omia e de nkwala se free education e ba ye kada Japan bonsam ani brifo bayifo a wo yes an kwase ade wo nyina echi no ene nkwala bebre sa ba wo chi o ma awofo no bebre ntimi nya sa sika no ye obi ote owa santereje ye de ko tamale oko no ayede ene oko ha dai enye na maame ko fasika ade akọ ha da ma kwala no na papa no ko fasika ade akọ ha dai ama ne ba enti de be ya no se bla betina fie na nyame boa no se ba wo mi aba baaka ya sa mo akọ ene ni se awu phone baby me se nkofo frɛ me free bia be free nkura na se won mo obi asmo ka obi aka se ne ba no ntra fie e se wonya sika enko ha dai e ma kwara enko tena ni nyina Africa na Japan in Africa na Japan enti me mo nya botre na mpanifo ka bibi se ba ka bi se de bebe bia de be si wa ya bra bom bia ye fa se da manyame asida ye fa manyame ne se ka doctor kura wini MPP for wini na doctor ba ya nka de NDC for be ye pa nka doctor ko nya de nka mamu no kra ko be hu so adwena da team ane mo aka so person ye nyina ade nka asie di nkatia sami jamfi awon ko be ye doctor no kenti di asie no anyi obi adade na ye mfa se da manyame yakopon na nim ade papa de maye
yes of course
yakopon o na nim ade papa ade maye eti sanka amasa ankanye kese se ane mo bodi to doctor so nyina wodi birthday anyi o mo na ka se doctor ba umia wonya trofo oka no kure ensima doctor ka ye nyina nya na afi na NDC fo isa ka galam se asem hwe ene ani guasia no ato han enti meka chebe ni anu MPP fo nyina ya wakon ye nyina yem fan paibo enta doctor chi e se kana Japan no oyabufo an wasa ye bayfo no sa ye bonsam an oye liberfo enti doctor de meka chebe se won hwe no kusu ye enipa ono mo nam no on hwe mu ye abronye on hwe no kusu ye na untimi so ye bom pae se yankopon be yi na free mu na obebe fie na emwa odi abo ankofo eno ni bibia hwe no a onfa na brabo nto job nyame be chira no ne niam na nyina be sa back nti de meka na se ye nyina no ye mfa mpaibo enta sa ni pamien sa wo achi ene MPP fo mpanifo no mo adwen papa no ene mo ene SK ye nyina ye kotojo no ma ye mo mpaye mam so benya sempa bi dia bre na chene beche na ye nka ho akachi na so enseye minim se yankopon bepe janensa obehwe ho ni monyam meko am obi aba
me da so be
da opese ode oto leda ode beye wo da mu nkonya o ka sit asay na person se saka leda ode beye a se mpaboa na wo ya mpaboa papa bi a person obehwe dia bet bag na aso pa ode hu misamafo obehu na leda bi a bia na o sabeka enye pedima mintoni bi eye original leda e was source ni bi okumase e bi nso wakantamanto lane 5 o hwe sister Mary owusu na aka se ehefa na wa obi ado beko enti me de nyame obi a me de obi a se sister essence me che obi a me che anuafo anuanu nyina ye nyina ye anuafo yenke hombom ne mo mpa yɛm samafo ɛn na busua so benya hoɔden na da ne da nyina obetumi aba meda wase bebree nyame kyerɛ obi bia ɔnka yɛ ho na ɔmoa amen
nyame nhyira wo nso na ɔnyɛ wo kɛseɛ yɛ brother Anthony ɛna yɛte ne nka yɛsɛ nnwoma ɛda a yɛte ne wɔ ne wura no mu sɛdeɛ waka no kantamanto lemtrɛ wokɔ hɔ a wobɛnya leather papa made in Italy, original product from Italy. No de bɛyɛ wo fie nkonnwa wo mpaboa wo belt oka mu nkonnwa bibia adwuma bi yɛde belt na yɛde leather na ɛyɛ bia no wokɔ Tonime Enterprise wɔ kantamanto a wɔn so no wɔn nsa ɛbɛka bi abusanfo ɛha ɛna mede mu bɛsi na ɔkyena Nyankopɔn pa yasan ɛde another episode kɛseɛ abrɛwo Ras Media political commentation ɔkyena nso yɛde another episode bɛbrɛwo nti yɛde mu bɛsi a na ɔkyena Nyankopɔn pa yɛn nso yasan ahyia maame ama se Ghanaians haven't seen nothing yet, there are more coming. Ken always bragging of workers without taking good care of them. Maame no lenya come mo akwa about good evening Mr. Mafo, how are you doing and your family? We are doing well. Maame ama say he's a full package of campaign message. Wilson Asamani say Abronya has been arrested and granted 1 million cedi bail. Maame ama say you are right. If the party is serious, they shouldn't have allowed him to pick a forms to contest. And I mean, Sapon questions the Ghanaians should get ready. Pay $1 billion to Chairman Woon to me. Yeah, they have to pay that money. Yeah. Questions upon Bemosis 2024 AGYAPONG voted for NDC, I bet you. And I'm a British in Council, so greetings to everyone. Maybe Sapon question was a good even Rasta arrested Chairman Woon to me can't let you AGYAPONG lead the MPP party. Cheer. Dr. Bawumia all the way. Thompson Mick, aye. Thompson Mick, or a member of Panyinipa. I say, Bawumia will lose because of Nanado. Hey, I ask him, MPP loses because of prideness. And I mean, member of Panyinipa, Tommy Mick, Eka. Brother Tommy. So, and Yanko, Mimia Antonio say hi. I can't believe why people who support MPP will sit and listen to AGYAPONG, who is showing anti-MPP ideology. And I'm say, Ken, if you can't criticize Mahama, how can you lead a party? Then you have failed totally. Mami say he will employ his India and Chinese partners to come and work in Ghana, as he brought Chinese to come and do the ID, which the boss didn't give him. It didn't give it to him. That makes him better. Yeah, that is right. And Miriam say, hello family. He is protecting the contract he did. He's protecting the contract he did. Do to its well. Miriam Ivansankama say, I'm beginning to hate Kennedy AGYAPONG. And Miriam Adu in Sere Ejura or say Hawa Kumsen. Yeah, I was searching for the name of Hawa Kumsen. Miriam Ba Tua Augustine, I say good evening. And I remember Miss Salome so say I love Baumia's tree. Miriam Ivansankama say, I wonder why Ken want to lead MPP. Meanwhile, he don't believe in the MPP's ideology. Miriam Jasi Jaben, Miriam Evans Jaben also like the video. Ivansankama claims a good evening family. Wilson Asamanisi because of MPP meeting. Salome J. Mame also Ghana is very sad. I blame the party leadership, which is the MPP leadership that she's talking about. Sandy say, keep it up. Good job, bro. And Wilson Asamanisi to say, Asensuku had built a party office at Bantama for MPP. Where is the AGYAPONG's party in? Where is AGYAPONG MPP headquarters in? What is the name of his area? Fosu Central or whatever they call it. Yeah, my message is not also yeah, kind of answer. Just that also well said. Miriam even Jaben say more fire and Nana Owusu Sapon say just see you Mateo Nkampa or the Manso. And as Mima Salome say, because all of them are greedy like him. Sami just say Kennedy AGYAPONG is a disaster, an enemy distinguished against the MPP. Mima Medan appears a good evening, beautiful family. And I will say someone say Abronye does not think about his stomach. Me question someone say he's watching us. We someone say hello of Amafo. Me about dollars Opo Api S hello Ras. Mami Kumi Vivian S Resa. Ahmed Mutar say I'm watching you live from Maloba. Bro, it's true talk. More fire. Salute. Mami Vivian Kumasi greetings from Massachusetts. For this is where we will end the show. Thank you all for being here with me. And if God permit us and give us life tomorrow, we will meet here again. Until we meet again, adios.